Hi, my name is Dominic Sestito and welcome to Bottels. Today I will be taking you through the process of the creation of our brand new water bottle called Bottels Mark 1. This is the beginning of the process of making the water bottles. The team is hard at work creating the mold for the bio bottle. We are using a plastic resin to form a mold that the liquid plastic would then be poured into. We are now re-engineering a plastic water bottle to shape and create the proper dimensions of the bio bottle. The bottle that you see in the video is not a bottle created by Bottles. It is simply what we are using to make and create the proper form of the bottle that we do want to create. This is a picture of the proper dimensions of the bio bottle. Now comes the actual creation of the mold. Now that the resin has got to the point where we can format it into some sort of structure, we are taking the resin and depositing it into a container. The container has the rough dimensions of the water bottle. Nonetheless, what we're doing is we're taking that water bottle that we recently re-engineered and are putting it inside of the container. Our hopes is to create a mold that has a silhouette of the bottle inside the mold. Now that the mold has completely hardened, our next step is to try to split the mold in half. What we're trying to do here is access that silhouette that we made with the water bottle. We are using a drill and a drill bit to create slits on either side of the water bottle, allowing for the mold to completely split in half and to flushly be put back together. We do this because when we pour the plastic inside of the water bottle, we want to make sure that the plastic has no way to leak. Now we can start with the actual plastic making process. Now the plastic making process consists of 4 relatively easy steps, but 4 main key ingredients. Now these 4 key ingredients is 1 tablespoon of starch, 4 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Now this is a ratio for around 50 grams of plastic. Now if you want to make more plastic than that, just adjust the ratio. Nonetheless, what you want to do is collect all of these materials into one bowl. You want to then put that bowl on a stove at low heat, stirring it constantly. If you do not stir it constantly, what will end up happening is the plastic that sits at the bottom of the bowl will start to burn. Now as you're stirring the solution, what you're waiting for is for that solution to turn into a gel-like substance. Once you have found that your solution has turned into a gel-like substance, you want to take that substance and strain it into a colander. What you're trying to do is get rid of any of the excess vinegar and water. You then want to take these little gel pieces and put them on a piece of paper. Once again, trying to get rid of any of the excess water and vinegar. Now what you want to do is you want to get a pan. Get a pan and put a piece of parchment paper over your pan. Transfer your plastic onto the parchment paper and go preset your oven to 250 degrees Celsius. Once your oven has reached 200 degrees Celsius, you then want to put your pan inside the oven and set it back to 250 degrees Celsius for around 2.5 hours. Now the duration in which your plastic will be in the oven varies between batches. Nonetheless, what you want to do is monitor your plastic, constantly checking it for the solidity of the actual gel. When you retrieve your plastic from the oven, you should be left with a hard, firm substance. Now, the sizes and shapes of your plastics will vary depending on how you formatted originally, but what Bottles does is they take this plastic and we put it back into our mold. Now this concludes our video. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something about our company called Bottles, and we hope to see you using our products soon. Bye.